In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots in the Google Chrome browser. If you've ever found yourself needing a snapshot of an entire web page, Chrome's developer tools offer a handy feature that will let you capture the full page effortlessly. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the web page you want to capture in Google Chrome. This is your starting point because everything else we'll be doing is from this context. Once you have the page open and loaded, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, what we want to do is bring up the developer tools. This might sound technical, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and I on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open up a panel either on the right side or bottom of your Chrome window, depending on your settings. This panel is packed with features mostly used by web developers, but don't get overwhelmed. We're going to use just one of its capabilities. Once you have the developer tools open, the next step is to access the command menu. Again, this might sound a bit techy, but it's just another quick key combination. Press Ctrl, Shift, and P at the same time. This brings up a search bar at the top of the Developer Tools panel. The command menu is incredibly useful because it allows you to quickly find and execute commands without having to navigate through multiple menus. Next, you'll want to type the word screenshot into the command menu search bar. As you type, you'll see a list of suggested actions appear beneath the search bar. From these options, look for one labeled Capture Full-Size Screenshot and select it. You can select it by either clicking on it or by using the arrow keys to highlight it and then pressing Enter. Selecting this option tells Chrome to capture the entire web page, not just the visible portion. Finally, your full page screenshot will automatically be downloaded to your computer. By default, Chrome saves it in the Downloads folder. So you can easily find your image by navigating to this folder or by looking in your recent downloads list, which may be accessible from the download bar at the bottom of your Chrome window right after the capture completes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to take a full-page screenshot in Google Chrome with just a few quick steps. Remember, having a visual record of web content can be incredibly useful, whether for reference, sharing information, or just for keeping a snapshot. Thanks to Chrome's developer tools, you can capture entire web pages with ease. Feel free to play around with other features in the developer tools. Chrome offers a variety of options to enhance your browsing and productivity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and tricks.